Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4x squared minus 5. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 8, that's about number 4 with number 2. So we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. The integration of cosine u, we have sine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.